In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve math equations in OneNote. By the end, you'll be able to enter an equation, add a simple equal sign, tap the spacebar, and let OneNote do the math for you in a snap. Start by placing your cursor where you want the equation and result to appear. You can either type the equation or write it by hand with a pen or stylus. If you're typing, enter your expression just like you would on a calculator. Use plus, minus, asterisks for multiplication, forward slashes for division, and parentheses to control the order of operations. For example, you might type 3, 5 plus 2, or 2 under 3 for exponents. Keep everything on one line so OneNote can read it cleanly. If you prefer handwriting, select your pen and write the equation clearly in a single horizontal line. Make your symbols distinct, especially minus signs, division slashes, and exponents, so OneNote can interpret them correctly. Whether you type or write with a stylus, the key is to present a clear, self-contained expression. Once the equation is in place, be sure to put an equal sign at the very end. That equal sign tells OneNote you want an answer. Place it directly after your expression with nothing else after it. For example, 3 5 plus 2, or 125 5/. If you're handwriting, add the equal sign right after the rest of your equation on the same line. Think of the equal sign as the trigger that prepares OneNote to calculate. With the equal sign in place, just press the spacebar. OneNote will automatically solve the equation and display the result immediately. You'll see the answer appear right next to what you typed or wrote, so you can keep working without breaking your flow. If you spot a typo or want to tweak the numbers, simply adjust the expression, keep the equal sign at the end, and press space again to refresh the result. A few tips for best results. Use parentheses to make your intent clear, especially with multiple operations. Decimals, negative numbers, and powers are supported, so feel free to write expressions like 4.5, 203, uvash. Keep the expression on one line and avoid adding extra words after the equal sign. If nothing happens when you press space, make sure your cursor is placed right after the equal sign and there isn't any stray spacing. That's it. Type or write the equation, add an equal sign at the end, press space, and let OneNote do the rest. Try a few examples to get comfortable, and you'll be speeding through calculations in no time.